Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to discuss the hydraulic system understanding. As we know that hydraulic system is the one of the fluid power system where the mechanical work is converted into a fluid power and fluid power is used for the carrying out the different tasks and the works. And for that purpose, once again it is converted into mechanical work through the actuator. And for that reason, during the conversion from the mechanical work into fluid power and fluid power into mechanical work at the output and to carry out the different tasks, the different components we are going to use, and those components we can arrange in the particular way, and that how the arrangement will be there, and also those are explained with the hydraulic circuit, and that I'm going to take here with the explanation with the hydraulic circuit as well as the explanation with the actual components I'm going to take. Here first I'll take the question with the hydraulic circuit. The hydraulic circuit consists of the different components to operate the double acting cylinder like this, and which will be actuated by the 4 by 3 direction control valve, and it has the pressure relief valve, and it has the pump, filter, and hydraulic tank. And here we'll understand first the one of the important component, that is a direction control hall. The 4 by 3 direction control hall means it has the 4 ports and the 3 positions. And here we can see the 4 number of ports are there, 3 number of positions. And these numbers are provided for this different ports. The first port on the pump it is, the second port to the actuator it will be going, and the outlet flow. Third port is this one, the return line, and fourth one. And this is also named as a ABPT like that. And those names and numbers means what those are there will take, and positions also will take. First position for the extension stroke, second position for the retraction, third position is a neutral position. You can represent these letters of the designation what are there in this one. The P is a pump line or a supply line, T is a tank line or return line, A, B are the working line which are going to the actuator. With double acting solenoid valve spring return, these are solenoid actuated spring return will be there for the center position. This is the hydraulic circuit. With animation we'll see that how working will be taking place. Fluid will be supplied from the tank through the pump when the uh, direction control valve is at left envelope, and the pump line will be A is connected to the actuator line A, and that is goes to the A port of the cylinder where the fluid pressure will be applied on the piston and the extension of the piston will be taking place. And on rod and side what fluid present, that will be flowing back through the port B through the direction control valve through the filter to the tank. This is the extension of the piston during the its operation. During the retraction stroke, the fluid will be supplied from the pump through the port P to the port B, and then goes to the port B to the cylinder in the rod end side. Then the fluid at the piston end side through the port A, flowing back through the port A to the through the direction control valve and through the filter to the tank. And this also we can see here how the retraction will be taking place, and this fluid will be flowing by the actuation of this direction control valve by the solenoid actuation. The solenoid two side the actuation will be taking place for the its operation. The solenoid actuation is actually electrical power supply actuation. And here we can see that is fluid will be flowing to the rod inside, piston inside fluid will be returning back. And the center position is the neutral position. Neutral position means the cylinder is uh, in particular position only. It will not move. Okay, like that. The fluid flowing from the pump, which will be flowing back to the oil tank through the teapot and through the filter. This we can see how the flowing will be taking place here also. This is neutral position, how the neutral will keep the or vehicle like that it will be not acting. And here the actual components we can see. These are the pressure transmitter or switch, this is 2R, and this is the filter, 24 volts terminal which is used for the actuation of the solenoid valve, hydraulic pump, and 4 by 3 wave valve, and this is 4 by 3 wave valve, electric motor which will use it to run the hydraulic pump. And it's the other components also we can see, and later its video we are going to see that how it will working. This is the motor shaft coupling which will be coupled to the hydraulic pump. The hydraulic pump shaft and coupling, here we are going to connect with that motor shaft. Indicator for the oil lifespan, green means good oil and red means it is a outdated oil that should be replaced. And suction and return pipe will be there. For this one, suction and return pipe connections we are going to use. This video we can see that one. This is the coupling and the electrical motor connection will be connecting to this hydraulic pump. The pump shaft is this one. We have to connect through the coupling so that it will run that hydraulic. And the pump, the flow lines which are there, those are connected to the pump. And here oil filter we can see, and the direction control valve which will be actuated solenoid, and the other oil filter return line are there, and the flow supply lines to from the tank, and this is the condition monitoring of the oil. Like this, the different the components we can see, and the electrical motor and lines which are there which will be flowing for the actuation of the double acting cylinder. This is about the how the hydraulic system works. We have seen like this the different hydraulic systems we can how will be work. This is one of the basic one. Okay, there are different systems also actual operation we can see in the further sessions. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.